All right, question number 2 says, Frida, who is training to use a radar system, detects an airplane flying at a constant speed and heading in a straight line to pass directly over her location. She sees the airplane at an angle of elevation of 15 degrees and notes that it's maintaining a constant altitude of 6,250 feet. 1 minute later, she sees the airplane at an angle of elevation of 52 degrees. How far has the plane traveled to the nearest foot? And then determine and state the speed of the airplane to the nearest mile per hour. The hardest thing about this question is drawing the pictures. So that's what I'm going to help you do, and then I'm going to leave you to do the rest. So we're going to draw Frida down at the bottom of our screen. We're going to draw an airplane up here, and the height of the airplane is 6,250 feet. And when she looks up at the airplane, she's looking up at an angle of elevation of 15 degrees. And so then we can calculate, you can go ahead and calculate using this distance, and you would call that x. And then the next part of the problem says she looks up a few minutes later and the airplane has moved, and now the airplane is here, and when she looks up this time, the angle of elevation is 52 degrees. And so I'm going to draw in another triangle like this, and this is 52 degrees. And so you would then calculate this as y. This height hasn't changed, 6,250. So you're going to use the trig function to get y. And then in the end, you would subtract your x value and your y value to get this value, which is the distance that the plane has traveled.